Welcome to the Writing Your Path to Success challenge. This challenge will prepare students in grade 6 to 8 achieve the CCSS English Language Arts standard in writing. This video will provide an overview of the ID strategy and concept that will be used to meet the objectives. Some sample interactions and activities will also be shown to demonstrate how these strategies are implemented. Writing Your Path to Success challenge. This challenge will be designed like a team game, in which students need to accomplish specified tasks to win the challenge. Learning will be delivered through a blended curriculum in 3 default environments: classroom, teachers or facilitators intervention; e-work area, learning course and online and offline resources; discussion forum, online discussion board. This will encourage peer-to-peer and peer-to-mentor relationship, and will also draw from the obvious benefits of learning. For each task which the student needs to complete, the learning flow will be concept building, reflection, application, analysis, assessment. The design is based on problem-based learning and game-based learning theories that will enable fun learning for the students. We will also use adaptive learning techniques to adapt the learning delivery to the pace and competence of the student. Individuals will be scored progressively throughout the period of this course after they complete each task. The assessment could be by the teacher or facilitator, subjective assessment, or e-assessment for testing students' application of knowledge, or by the student or group members, objective assessment as per an objective checklist. The final assessment will be in 2 parts: concepts paper e-assessment and final submission by the teacher or facilitator. Here is the roadmap of the course for grade 8. It includes a list of prerequisites for the course and allows the student or teacher to choose the sequence in which they want to take the course. There are 4 key tasks that each team needs to complete. Each team can choose a writing challenge from 4 available options. Here are a few examples of engaging in fun activities that will enable effective learning. In this example, a drag-and-drop exercise has been used to help the student build a structure for the write-up. After the student completes the activity, positive or negative reinforcement through a variety of media, along with comprehensive feedback, is provided to help the student build the concept. The student is awarded some points for a correct answer. Here is another fun activity, which is aimed at testing and developing critical thinking skills. The student needs to choose the right option from 3 available choices. Each option is mapped to feedback, which will help the student arrive at the right answer. In this activity, a simple multiple-choice exercise has been used to build the student a Euro trademark sign-S concepts related to plagiarism. Correct or incorrect response and comprehensive feedback is provided to further explain plagiarism and its consequences. Having built the concept related to plagiarism, in this activity, the student is invited to reflect and test her learning. Suitable explanation is provided to help the student understand instances of plagiarism. In this course, the learning delivery will be adapted to the pace and competence of the learner. Here are some activities which demonstrate adaptive learning. In this drag-and-drop exercise, the learner discovers the concept of clear and precise writing. Then, the student builds on her understanding of the concept through a simple multiple-choice exercise. If the student chooses the right option, she is directed to the next difficulty level related to this concept. However, if she is unable to choose the right option, comprehensive feedback is provided to explain the correct answer. Then, she is given another chance to understand this concept. A similar difficult level quiz is presented again to help the student understand the concept. If the student fails to get to the right answer, a concept revision is recommended. If the student successfully passes level 1, she is presented another quiz of a higher difficulty level to test her learnings related to the concept. Finally, here is an activity which will help the learner apply his learnings related to the concept learned. Here, the learner needs to rewrite the given sentence by dragging the words in the correct sequence. The student will be assessed progressively throughout the course. Points will be awarded for every correct answer. At the end of each task, the teacher's subjective assessment and the peer's objective assessment will also be added to the total. At the end of each task or at the end of the course, students can view their total scores, calculated on the basis of their performance within the course. They will also get a chance to revisit concepts in which they have scored poorly.